Today's lick of the day is... It is in the key of D minor. You can use the D minor pentatonic scale. Starting on the 10th fret of the B string, you're going to hammer on and pull off from the 13th fret of the B string. And you're going to land on the 12th fret of the G string. So make sure that your picking hand is going down, up, or up, down. So, or whichever is most convenient to you. This is a famous Jimmy Page lick. I've seen Slash do this. I've seen pretty much every rock and roll guitar player out there. All of my heroes do this. This is a very common lick. And then you can move it up half a step and then move it down half a step. So, and when sped up, it sounds really cool. Have some fun with it. I'll see you in the next one.